You have just watched and you are still watching a still image copy real human movements in real time using AI. On today's video, I'm going to show you how I turn any image into a moving, dancing character using AI motion transfer. And when we are done, I'll teach you how to add cinematic visual effects all in the same AI workflow. Hi, my name is Jayne. Let's dive right in. For today's tutorial, I'll be using the Atlas Cloud platform. The link is going to be in the description box and new users get $1. Now, disclaimer, if you do not follow me till the end, you will not be able to do this yourself. So first of all, we are going to start off with generating our image. So we are going to go over here and click image and video models. We are going to go over here to text to image and we are going to use Nano Banana Pro. So we are just going to put in our prompt. So for today, we are going to be creating a Chinese samurai warrior that's going to dance for us. We're going to come over here and then we're going to input our prompt and make sure 4K resolution is in the settings. You click additional settings and your aspect ratio, okay? And then we are going to click run. Now the price it takes to run is just 1 cent. So you can see how much you can generate with $1 and then we click run. It's going to take some few minutes to generate and this is the final product. Wow, look at what our samurai looks like. And I think it's so awesome. So we're going to click the download button over here and then save it to our device. So now that we have created our character and we love what it looks like, let's now go into animating the character. So we're going to go back to Atlas Cloud and we're going to click here model platforms, image and video models. And for this AI motion transfer, we are going to be using a video to video model. So come over here and click video to video model. And for the video to video model, we're going to be using Wan 2.2 Animate. This is one of the best tools we can use to copy movements. Okay, so we're going to click the Wan 2.2 Animate. Now guys, you have to follow me intently. Okay, even after I show you the result, please come back so you can see the details, the things you must have done. If not, this is not going to work. Okay, so now it has input. Okay, input image. Here you're going to choose and you're going to select the samurai image we just created. Okay, and we are going to bring that in. Now it says video. Here it means the video of the movements that you want your image to copy. Okay, so there's a video and there's an image, right? So we'll go over here and then we choose the video. This is the video that we want the image to copy. Let me just play it quickly so you can see what the video looks like. This was the same video that we used in our opening intro. Okay, so we've brought that in, we've brought in our picture, we've brought in the video, and then the prompt. Our prompt is going to be very simple. You will just say, let the image move like the character in the video. That is going to be your prompt. Very, very simple. Okay, you go over to resolution and change it to 720 and additional settings, you put it at animate and seed at -1. You can see to run this animation is just 0.3 cents. Okay, you can see we are really stretching that dollar and then we're going to click run. When you click run, it's going to take some time to animate. And guys, I'm going to show you guys the finished video, but please come back so I can tell you the tips and tricks you must put in place for this thing to generate perfectly. Okay. See our samurai, he's moving, he's turning, he's doing all that he needs to do. It's so nice and funny, and if you try this out, it's always fun. It's always fun. I've seen so many videos like this on TikTok that get 2 million views, 5 million views, and they are making their money because this will animate as long as your video duration is. So if you give it a video duration for you to copy that is 30 seconds long, the video is going to produce for you at the end of the day is also going to be 30 seconds long. So now let me tell you some top tips you must pay cognizance of if you want your video to generate well. First of all, the image has to have clear hands showing, clear legs showing. The hands must not be holding anything. The legs must be a little bit wide apart. The background must not be interfering. Okay, make sure that your generated image is front facing, it's facing the camera directly, and then your source video is also facing the camera directly. Okay, so if you put all these tips in place, you definitely get a flawless generation. So guys, let's go to the second part of this tutorial where I show you how to add video effects using this same AI workflow, Wan 2.2. Let's go. For this particular example, I'll be using this video of me from a different video that I did. Okay, you can click the link up above here to watch that particular tutorial. All right, once you have your video, you're just going to stop over and you're just going to take a screenshot. So you're going to go to Atlas Cloud again, and this time we are going to click their models, and this time we are going to select image to image model. Now we are going to select Nano Banana Pro Edit, and then we are going to click here, and then we are going to choose my screenshot. If you want to add so many options, you want to add so many things into that same image, you can click this downward button here and add another item. But now here I'm going to write my prompt. Okay, we're going to write this prompt: glowing magical fire forming on her head, phoenix inspired flame. Okay, and you know it's going to generate in 4K. When we have additional settings, we're going to change the aspect ratio. So I'm going to change the aspect ratio to 16:9 because it's a wide screen, and then we're going to click run. So you can see my image is still the same, but it has added fire on my head. Now, this image is now going to be our new base image. So what we are going to do now is, this image has fire on its head. We're going to now take it back to Wan 2.2 Animate. Back to Atlas Cloud image and video models, we are going to go to video model. We are going to take Wan 2.2 Animate again. We are going to impute the image of me with the fire on my head. Choose my image. We are going to go to my video that I want to superimpose this image to. I'm going to please choose, select my source video, and I'm going to impute this prompt: head catching fire, cinematic flames, realistic glow, magical energy. I'll change resolution to 720p. Additional settings, we'll just leave it at animate and speed, and we're going to run it for 0.3 cents. And guys, it's going to take some seconds to run, and this is the final video.
Subscribe to Everyday Life with Jayne, and if you like the prompts used today, comment prompts in the comments.
So guys, that's the video for today. You can try the Atlas Cloud platform. It's very good, it's very affordable, it's your all-in-one stop shop to do everything you need to do with AI. It has all models from VO to Sora 2 to Kling. All the models are in here and you can enjoy it, and it has a very flexible plan. At some point you have to stop using free things. At some point you have to invest money into your AI creation journey, because there's a lot of money to need on the AI space. So guys, that's today's video, and if you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section. I'm always here to answer all your questions. And before you go, you can watch all these 2 other videos right here beside me. You're going to learn something amazing. Till I see you guys on the next video. Bye.